So for our first problem, which is number 4, you have 12 times 11 times 10 times 9. The first thing I'm going to do is break apart this problem. 11 times 12 is 132, and 10 times 9 is 90. 132 times 90, and you're going to line that up over to the side. Since this digit that we're first multiplying right here is a 0, all the first 3 digits that you're multiplying are zeros. And then you'll put a 0 here for the next line as a placeholder. 2 times 9 is 18, and you'll carry your 1. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28. 1 times 9 is 9, plus 2 is 11. Then you're going to add these up. Add your commas, and 11,888 will be your final answer. For our next problem, which is number 11, we'll just have to do this order of operations problem. For this, you'll have to follow the rules of please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which is parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, addition, and subtraction. Multiply and divide are equal, and you'll do whatever comes first in the problem. And adding and subtracting are the same. So first, to start off, we're going to look for our parentheses. Right here we have our parentheses. So this is what we'll do first in the problem. 3 times 8 is 24. 2 times 2 is 4. And then you're going to subtract those to get your answer of 20. Next, you have division right here. And since right next to it is multiplication, that's all you have left. Division comes first, and since multiplication and division are equal, you'll do division first. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Times 5 is, for your answer, 50. For number 13, we're going to simplify using the distributive property. The distributive property is another way to do order of operations problems. So to do the distributive property, you're going to get the same answer if you did it normally. So you'll take this 3 number right here, and you're going to multiply it by 8 to get your answer of 24. And then you'll multiply 3 times 2, and you'll get 6. Next, you'll add the 2 numbers, and you'll get your answer of 30. Now, to check this problem, you could do it the way you would do a normal problem. So first, you're going to parentheses 2. You'll do 10 times 3 to get your answer of 30. And that means the problem is correct. For number 14, you'll have to say, what property is this problem? This is the distributive property because you are multiplying the first number to the numbers in parentheses. So right here, you're multiplying this number to this number, and this number again to this number, and then just subtracting those 2 up. And you'll do the same for the rest of the parentheses. And for our last problem, which is number 20, this is the identity property of multiplication because you are multiplying by 1 to get the same number. In the identity property, you always multiply by 1, and you will always get your same answer. That completes my quiz corrections. Thank you for listening.